How to forward a text message on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Messages application on your phone. You are now in the Messages page where you can view all your messages. Open any message from here. If you want to forward any text message from this conversation, then press and hold that message. And then, tap on More. After that, go to the bottom left corner and tap on the forward icon as shown. Here, tap on the plus icon on the right. You can search for or select people who you want to forward the message to from here. You can select more than one person if you want. After selecting, tap on the send button below to forward this message to them. Following these steps, you can easily forward a text message on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.